Welcome back to my tutorial. Today we are discussing about switch cases. So let's start it. Here I am creating a variable of integer data type as n. Now clr for clearing the parse stream, printf slash n ent here the number from 1 to 4, you can say. I told you why I mentioned that you have to enter the number from 1 to 4. Scanf model st comma and type and here we are discussing about switch cases, means you have to switch the values. Okay, so switch case is denoted by switch. What we have to switch? We have to switch the number n which is entered or which is the input given by the user. So here are basically 4 cases from 1 to 4. So I am creating the cases case 1. It means in case of 1 means the value which is entered by the user is 1. So what you have to do, or what you are willing to telling the machine, you have to create a particular task at the situation switch cases with the help of switch case. So I'm just printing the message print f slash monday. Yes, or we have to just break that condition if brack sorry k bre oh sorry break. Okay, now our next you can say situation is case. Here I'm going to make it some tricky. So suppose you have to take the input from the user, so printf slash n we enter here the numbers. So here I'm scanning that number scanf sorry modulus t comma sorry and percentile a comma and b. So we have also added from here to we have to declare them to a comma b comma c. C is for storing the result. Now c is equals to a plus b. Now printf printf slash n sum is modulus g comma c. Now I'm going to break that condition break break. In case of case 3 case of 3 just printf just for not to get lengthy video, that's why I'm just finishing it. Tuesday Tuesday case, C-A-S-E, case 4, print f slash n WEDNESTAY. I miss the break condition over there, so I'm breaking it. BREAK, break, BREAK. Now here you easily understand what I do. If in case of 2, the message will print that enter the numbers, and here I just print the sum of these two numbers. In case of 3, it shows the Tuesday. Oh, I forgot the slash n for the next line here. It's look pretty cool on the console. So if in case of 4, it just simply print the Wednesday. So let's check it. Now I'm just entering the 1. it it prints Monday. Now I'm again entering the 2. Enter the 2 number as I told you in the main code. So I'm 12 and 12. Sum is 24. And again I'm just entering the 3, Tuesday. So I hope you like my video. Okay, but here I have a quiz for you. You just have to comment me below the real life real life, you can say, problem to use the switch case. So I hope you like my videos. Thank you.